Welcome to another lesson from Genesis Tutoring Services. Today, we are solving for x and y using vertical angles. Our lesson for today comes from the geometry book, a teaching textbook. So let's get started. Here we have four angles formed by intersecting lines. Two of them are labeled with the expressions x and y. So what are vertical angles? Vertical angles are congruent, meaning that they are equal to each other and help to solve for variables like x and y in an angle diagram. To solve this equation, we will need to set y equal to x minus 67 and x equal to 5y plus 7 because vertical angles are equal to each other. So since we know what x equals, we see that is x equals 5y plus 7, we will use the substitution method and substitute what x equates to the top equation. So now we have y equals 5y plus 7 minus 67. So now we can combine like terms. Positive 7 minus 67 equals negative 60. So y equals 5y minus 60. Now we need to move the 5y to the left. To do that, we will subtract 5y from both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side of the equal sign. So when we subtract 5y on the right, positive 5y minus 5y cancels out. And on the left, we are left with y minus 5y equals negative 4y. At the end of this, we have negative 4y equals negative 60. The next step would be to get rid of the negative 4. Remember that whenever you have a number and a variable sitting next to each other, they are being multiplied. So to get rid of the negative 4, we would have to do the opposite, which is to divide. So we divide negative 4 from the left side, and we divide negative 4 from the right side, leaving us with y equals 15. So now we have to plug y back in to solve for x. We see that x equals 5y plus 7. So when we plug in y, it comes out to x equals 5 times 15 plus 7. 5 times 15 equals 75. 75 plus 7 equals 82. So now we know that x equals 82. So we have reached the end of our equation. We have solved that y equals 15 degrees and x equals 82 degrees. If today's video has helped you, please let me know in the comments or share with someone else.